Hello, so I want to show you what happens if I wanted to run for a particular error. So if I look at this try and catch, this is very lovely because what I do is I said try these two lines, and if they give an error, run these two lines. Okay, so the computer will try and run that code, and if the code works, it will just continue with the try block and then skip over the catch block and runs what comes after. But if there was an error, the computer would jump out of the try block and go to the catch block and run what's in the catch block. So let's quickly run this. Okay, so it's extremely easy. So I'm going to say I enter number 1. Okay, there was no errors, so everything completes normally. It runs the code in the try block and then it runs the code that comes right after the try and the catch. Now I'm going to run again. Okay, this time I'm going to enter 0. Okay, and now the computer runs what I've got here in my catch block. It says all other errors, which is all other errors. Okay, and now it gives me the E, which is the name of the error. Okay, so the name of the error is arithmetic exception. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, well, you know what? I want the computer to deal specifically with arithmetic errors. I want to say what it must do when the error is that one. Okay, so I'm going to copy that word arithmetic. I copy the name of the error, and I'm now going to make another catch block here, and I'm going to say catch. If you catch that error, okay, then do what's here. Okay, so I'm now going to say sys out, and I'm going to say arithmetic. Might as well paste it. Okay, arithmetic error found, and I can still, if I want, type this E. I don't really need to because I now know that it is an arithmetic error. Okay, so what I've got here, I've got two catch blocks, catch for all the arithmetic errors, and then catch exception E for all other errors, because the exception E will run, it's a catch-all, it will run for all the other errors. So if I encountered a different error, then this catch block will run. The other one, this arithmetic exception, will only run when the error is an arithmetic exception. So let's test that. So I'm going to first make no error. So I'm going to say a number 1. Okay, so it worked without any errors. Now I'm going to say, okay, enter 0, and my computer says, okay, he prints this code that I've programmed in, he runs that code, he doesn't run this code, okay, jumps over the catch, and then runs whatever comes after. So in other words, the computer chooses which of the two catch blocks to use. It won't run both. It runs the one. If it's found the arithmetic error, he runs that one. For all other errors, he runs the other catch block. So you see, I can now become more clever with how I deal with different errors.